Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your phone or laptop is actively connected to the Airtel Wi-Fi network. That's essential. Once done, open a browser or the Airtel Thanks app to reach the router's admin interface. Use 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. Enter the admin username and password. If you don't know them, check the sticker on the router or your welcome email. Doing this opens the control panel where data usage tools live. Once logged in, head straight to the status or traffic monitoring page. That's where detailed counters appear. You'll see per device usage, session logs, and daily or monthly totals. Compare dates to spot spikes. If using the Airtel Thanks app instead, tap Home, then Wi-Fi, and select data usage for a simplified view. Make sure to refresh the page or pull to refresh in the app so numbers are current, because cached displays can hide recent heavy transfers or automatic updates. You finish by interpreting totals against your billing cycle, export logs, or jot down numbers before resetting any counters. If a single device shows high use, change the Wi-Fi password or enable device limits to stop excess consumption. If numbers look stuck, reboot the router, clear browser cache, or re-log in to force a fresh read. And if usage still seems incorrect, contact Airtel support with timestamped logs. Having precise data makes resolving discrepancies faster and prevents unexpected bills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.